Time for the big reveal. Say goodbye to the balloons. Are you ready to see what's underneath all these balloons? Check this out!
Time for the big reveal. Let's pop this thing and show them what a real golf cart looks like. Time to reveal the ultimate machine. Watch this!
Time for the big reveal. Let's see what this thing is really made of. Hey everyone, check this out. Time for the big reveal. Let's get this harvest started.
Check out this sweet ride, but wait until you see what's underneath. Let's pop this thing. Pretty cool, huh? But let's see what's underneath.
Watch this! Time to pop these balloons and reveal the ultimate cargo chopper!
Are you ready to see what's inside? It's time for the big reveal. Let's pop these balloons and find the real deal.
Are you ready for the big surprise? Let's see what's underneath!
This ain't nothing but a bunch of balloons. Let me show you the real ride.
Hey everyone, look at this boat. It's so colorful. But wait until you see what's underneath.
Here goes nothing.
Are you tired of these flimsy balloon carts? Well, get ready for the real deal. All right, everyone, watch this. It's time for the big reveal. Let's get popping!
Hello everyone! Are you ready to see what is underneath the balloons? Activating probe. Check this out! It's time to pop this thing and show you what a real tank looks like!
Everything is not always what it seems.
Tickets, please! And now, arriving on track 1, the fastest train in the world!
You think this looks tough? Watch this! Now that's what I call heavy duty. Pretty cool, right? Well, get ready for the real show. This ain't no balloon truck. Time to show you the heavy metal underneath. Right then, pip pip, cheerio. Let's pop this bloomin' thing and see what's underneath, shall we? Hey everyone, watch this. It's time for the big pop. Whoa, look at that rust. All right, everyone, feast your eyes on this beauty. But are you ready for the real masterpiece? Here we go. You didn't think it was real, did you? Watch this.
Are you ready to see something awesome? Check this out!
Check out the most secure ride on the road. Nothing gets through this.
Are you ready to see what's underneath? Let's pop these balloons! Are you ready for this? Watch closely as I reveal the beast underneath. Get ready!
Time for the real ride. Let's pop into action.
Are you ready for the big reveal? Here we go! Are you ready for the big reveal? This balloon machine is about to get real. Watch this!
All right, folks, time for the big reveal. Let's see what's really under here. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Get ready for the ultimate luxury reveal. get real.
Think this truck is tough? Think again. Time to reveal the ultimate logging machine.
It's time for the big reveal. Say goodbye to the balloons and hello to high speed.
Time for the big reveal. Watch this. Greetings, spectators. Prepare for the ultimate reveal. This simulation is terminated. Behold, the true Apex machine. All right, folks, check this out. Time to get rid of these balloons and show you what a real steamroller looks like.
Check out what I've got right here. Time to pop some balloons. Hey everyone, check this out. Time to reveal the real camper. Here we go. Time for the big reveal. This isn't your average balloon truck. Let's see what's underneath, shall we? Check this out. Time for the big reveal. Let's pop this open. Watch closely, everyone, because this is how you upgrade your ride. Ta-da!
You need power on the job site. Let's get rid of these toys and show you what a real machine looks like. Are you tired of the same old ride? Well, watch this. It's time to reveal the brand new series streetcar.
You think this is a high-speed ferry? Just wait until you see this!
Check this out! Time for the real thing!
Look what I found! It's time to ditch the balloons and show you the real deal. Initiating reveal in 3, 2, 1. Hey everyone, check this out! Time to reveal the real thing. Ready for the big reveal. Let's see what's underneath all this.
This is the new model, folks. But sometimes you need something a little more robust, right? Watch this. This balloon buggy is about to get real. Time for the ultimate off-road machine. Time for the big reveal. Check this out.
Are you ready for the ultimate surprise? Let's see what's underneath.
All right, everyone, check this out. Time to reveal the real ship. You didn't think this was the real bike, did ya? Check this out.